Senior Alert: the 3 most dangerous minerals for your heart over 60. Introduction. The hidden danger of minerals and your heart. If you're over 60, you've probably been told countless times that minerals are essential for your health. For decades, doctors, nutritionists, and health magazines have encouraged us to get enough minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and others to keep our bones strong, our nerves working, and our hearts beating steadily. And it's true, minerals are vital for life. They help regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, nerve signals, and hundreds of chemical reactions in the body. Without minerals, our bodies simply couldn't function. But here's a shocking truth that many seniors don't know. Some minerals, especially when consumed in excess, can silently become dangerous for your heart after age 60. As we get older, our bodies change. Our kidneys might not filter minerals as efficiently as they did in our youth. Our arteries may already be stiff or partially blocked by plaque. Our hearts may be working harder than ever to keep blood flowing. And certain minerals, if taken in high amounts or without medical advice, can tip this delicate balance, leading to high blood pressure, abnormal heart rhythms, or even heart failure. Imagine waking up each morning thinking you're protecting your health by taking mineral supplements, only to discover those very minerals might be silently harming your heart. Many seniors don't realize the connection until they land in the hospital with heart palpitations, chest pain, or high blood pressure that seems to come out of nowhere. This video isn't meant to scare you into avoiding all minerals. Many are crucial for your health. But as a senior, you deserve the whole truth. You deserve to know which minerals can quietly turn dangerous for your heart, and how to take them safely to protect your cardiovascular system. Today, we're going to talk about 3 minerals that many seniors over 60 take regularly, thinking they're doing the right thing, but which might quietly be increasing the risk of heart problems. By the end of this video, you'll know which minerals to watch out for, how they impact your heart, and how to stay healthy while still getting the minerals your body needs. Calcium. Strong bones, but a heart risk in excess. Calcium is perhaps the most famous mineral associated with good health, especially for seniors. Doctors have long advised older adults, especially women, to get plenty of calcium to protect against osteoporosis and bone fractures. Calcium helps build strong bones, keeps muscles working properly, and plays a role in nerve transmission and blood clotting. But here's the hidden danger. Too much calcium, particularly from supplements, can harm your heart. When calcium intake becomes excessive, especially from supplements rather than food, it can lead to high levels of calcium circulating in the bloodstream. This condition, known as hypercalcemia, can cause your blood vessels to become stiff and calcified. Over time, this calcification can contribute to high blood pressure, arterial blockages, and an increased risk of heart attack and stroke. Let's talk about Martha, a 71-year-old woman who started taking 1,000 milligrams of calcium supplements every day because she was worried about her bones. Initially, she felt confident she was doing the right thing. But after several months, Martha began experiencing mild chest pain and noticed her blood pressure was higher than usual during her checkups. Her doctor performed tests and discovered that calcium deposits were building up in her arteries. Martha was stunned. She thought calcium could only help her health, not harm it. Recent studies have shown that while calcium from food sources like dairy products, leafy greens, and fish is generally safe, calcium supplements can raise cardiovascular risk if taken in high amounts. Doctors now recommend seniors get most of their calcium from food-reserving supplements only for those who can't meet their needs through diet. If you're considering calcium supplements, talk to your doctor first and avoid taking more than the recommended daily amount. Calcium remains essential for seniors, but for heart health balance is crucial. Iron. Important, but a potential heart threat. In excess, iron is another mineral that many people associate with health and vitality. It helps your body create hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout your body. Without enough iron, you can become anemic, leaving you feeling weak, tired, and short of breath. But here's what many seniors don't know too much. Iron, especially from supplements, can damage your heart and blood vessels. Unlike some minerals that flush out of the body easily, iron is stored. Excess iron can accumulate in organs like the liver, pancreas, and heart. In the heart, too much iron leads to a condition called iron overload. Cardiomyopathy, a disease that makes the heart muscle stiff and less effective at pumping blood. This can cause irregular heartbeats, heart failure, and other severe cardiac problems. Consider Harold, a 72-year-old man who started taking iron supplements every day because he thought it would keep him strong and energetic. He wasn't anemic and didn't check his iron levels before starting the supplement. After several months, Harold developed heart palpitations and fatigue. His doctor ran blood tests and found his iron levels were dangerously high. Harold was stunned. He thought iron was always healthy. His doctor explained that while iron is critical for people with true deficiencies, excess iron can quietly damage the heart and other organs. Doctors now recommend that seniors only take iron supplements if blood tests show they're deficient. Otherwise, getting iron from food sources like lean meats, beans, and leafy greens is usually sufficient. Iron remains essential, but for seniors over 60, unnecessary supplements can silently threaten heart health. Potassium, a critical mineral that can become deadly. Potassium is one of the most important minerals in your body. It helps regulate your heartbeat, control fluid balance, and manage nerve signals and muscle contractions. Doctors often talk about potassium's benefits because it helps lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessel walls. Many seniors believe that eating potassium-rich foods or taking supplements will protect their heart health. But here's a hidden truth: too much potassium can be deadly for your heart, especially for seniors over 60. Your body must maintain potassium levels within a very narrow range. If potassium levels rise too high, a condition called hyperkalemia, it can cause your heart to beat irregularly or stop altogether. This risk is much higher for seniors because our kidneys often become less efficient at removing excess potassium as we age. Certain medications commonly prescribed to seniors, like ACE inhibitors, ARBs, or potassium-sparing diuretics, can also cause potassium to build up in the body. That's why seniors who take these medications need to be especially cautious with potassium supplements or excessive intake from food. Consider Linda, a 74-year-old woman, determined to keep her blood pressure low naturally. She started eating 3 bananas daily, drinking 2 glasses of orange juice, and taking a potassium supplement all at the same time. Linda thought she was doing everything right for her heart. But one morning, she felt her heart racing and skipping beats. She felt dizzy and weak and nearly collapsed in her kitchen. At the hospital, doctors discovered Linda's potassium levels were dangerously high, putting her at risk of cardiac arrest. Linda was shocked. She believed potassium was completely safe and essential. Her doctor explained that while potassium is crucial, too much can quickly become life-threatening for seniors. Symptoms of too much potassium include heart palpitations, or a racing heart, weakness, or muscle fatigue, tingling or numbness, nausea and vomiting, irregular heart rhythm, sudden fainting or collapse. Most seniors can get enough potassium through a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, beans, and dairy products. Potassium supplements should never be taken without a doctor's recommendation and careful monitoring. Potassium remains essential, but for seniors, moderation is the difference between life-saving and life-threatening. The illusion of safety in natural mineral supplements. There's a widespread belief that anything natural must be safe. Walk through any pharmacy or health store, and you'll see rows of mineral supplements proudly labeled natural, pure, or gentle. Many seniors trust that these products are harmless because they come from natural sources. But the reality is natural does not always mean safe, especially in high doses. Minerals like calcium, iron, and potassium are essential for life. But when taken in excess, they can silently damage your heart arteries and organs. Seniors are particularly vulnerable because their bodies process minerals differently as they age. Excess calcium can stiffen your arteries, increasing the risk of heart attack. Excess iron can accumulate in your heart muscle, leading to dangerous arrhythmias. And excess potassium can cause your heart to stop beating altogether. The scariest part is that the symptoms often start subtly. You might feel slightly more tired, experience minor swelling in your ankles, or you notice occasional palpitations. Many seniors ignore these warning signs until they suddenly find themselves in an emergency room. Real stories that could happen to anyone. Remember Martha, who wanted stronger bones and ended up with calcium deposits clogging her arteries. She thought she was protecting her health, but was silently harming her heart. Or Harold, who thought extra iron would give him energy only to discover his heart was under attack from iron overload. And Linda, who believed potassium was pure heart protection, never suspecting that her efforts could stop her heart altogether. These stories are not rare. Each year, thousands of seniors across America end up in hospitals because of mineral overdoses or dangerous interactions between supplements and prescription drugs. Many of them believed they were doing the right thing for their health. The hidden danger of multiple supplements. Another problem many seniors face is that they unknowingly double or triple their mineral intake because different supplements contain overlapping ingredients. Imagine taking a multivitamin, a heart health supplement, and a bone-strengthening formula all in the same day. Each product might contain calcium, iron, or potassium. When added together, these amounts can easily exceed safe limits. Labels can be confusing with small print and chemical names that make it hard to know how much of each mineral you're truly consuming. Many seniors believe that since each product only contains a little bit, it can't possibly harm them. But the combined effect can silently push mineral levels into dangerous territory. How seniors can use minerals safely. Here's the good news. You don't have to avoid minerals completely. Minerals remain essential for your body's health and function. The secret is knowledge, moderation, and medical guidance. Here's how seniors over 60 can stay safe while still getting the minerals they need. Talk to your doctor about supplements. Always discuss any supplement you're considering, even natural ones, with your doctor. Bring your supplement bottles to medical appointments for review. Ask about drug interactions. Minerals can interfere with medications for high blood pressure, heart rhythm, or blood thinning. Read labels carefully. Don't assume that natural means safe. Look for total amounts of each mineral across all your supplements. Rely on food first. Get minerals from whole foods whenever possible. They're delivered in safe amounts and accompanied by fiber and other heart protective nutrients. Check blood levels regularly if you're taking supplements. Ask your doctor to check your mineral levels through blood tests. Know the symptoms of overload. If you feel unusually tired, dizzy, notice swelling, irregular heartbeats, or unexplained changes in your health, seek medical advice quickly. Conclusion: your heart deserves the full truth. My dear friends, minerals are among nature's greatest gifts. They keep our hearts beating, our nerves firing, and our bodies functioning well. But after 60, our bodies change. Minerals that once helped us can become dangerous if taken in excess. The real secret to heart health isn't swallowing more pills. It's understanding what your body truly needs and working with your doctor to avoid hidden dangers. Knowing how calcium, iron, and potassium can silently harm your heart gives you the power to protect your health and live a longer, safer life. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support helps me keep creating content to help seniors live longer, healthier, and safer lives. And don't forget to share this video with someone you care about. It might protect their heart too. Take care of your heart, and it will take care of you. Stay healthy, stay wise, and I'll see you in the next video.